A jury convicted a South Dakota man of murdering his girlfriend in Gregory County, but his attorney questions whether the testimony was unfair.
Good evening. That is one of the questions the South Dakota Supreme Court has to answer. It's hearing cases at the University of South Dakota School of Law for its October term.
This case is about Chance Hariff, who killed Christy Olson in 2017. Court papers say they got into an argument and Hariff hit Olson with a mule-strength punch to her chest, knocking her to the floor. He then left, not knowing if she needed medical care. Officers found Olson with possible bruising around her neck. And KELOLAND's Brady Mallory joins us with why Hariff is appealing his conviction.
Well, Chance Hariff and Christy Olson had a history of arguments and physical fights. Hariff would get violent, they'd reconcile, and Olson would never report the abuse to law enforcement. The High Court has to decide if the Circuit Court made a mistake for not acquitting Hariff on second-degree murder, and if there's enough evidence to uphold his second-degree murder conviction. A big part of today's hearing focused on 3 witnesses who testified and whether what they said created a prejudice against Hariff when the jury decided his fate.
Hariff's attorney, Raleigh Hansman, said during the trial, prosecution presented enough evidence to show Hariff abused Olson during their relationship.
The relationship picture had been painted, but the state was not done painting.
3 people testified about Hariff's past abusive behavior with Olson. However, Hansman argues that testimony made the jury focus more on Hariff's character rather than the crime itself, and says it violates South Dakota law.
Once this transformation occurred, Hariff was impossible to receive a fair trial. Hariff's second-degree murder conviction is the product of this constitutional violation.
Attorney for the state of South Dakota, Quincy Kierstead, says there is enough evidence to uphold Hariff's second-degree murder conviction. He referenced the wounds examiners found on Olson's neck.
How did these wounds occur? Dr. Kenneth Snell said there was enough blunt force on Christy's neck to cause those wounds. She experienced a strangulation.
Kierstead says that testimony in question about Hariff's abusive history is relevant to this murder case.
And the jury was instructed that it may take in consideration any domestic relationship that existed between the accused and the person killed.
The Supreme Court will decide at a later date.
During the initial trial, a forensic pathologist said Olson died from asphyxia due to strangulation. Hariff is serving a life sentence.
Thank you, Brady.